Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Lasali Nungu, and here today is my presentation. Do not buy physical silver right now. A warning to Black America, but really a warning to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I just got off YouTube. I wanted to get abreast of what the conversation was going into next week. My expectations is that we're going to have another impressive week of GME action, but what distracted me, what I saw, was an actual decline in the conversation regarding GameStop and a huge, huge momentum shift towards what is likely going to be the next move coming out of Wall Street bets, and that is a possible short squeeze in the price of silver. Now, what has yet to be agreed on is the methodology of how they plan to go about doing this. Now, I just got out of a Zoom call with the individuals you see here. Now, I was not a participant, I simply listened in, but what I heard was a clear fracturing of what Wall Street Bets is supposed to be about. Again, I don't know if these individuals are members of Wall Street Bets, but no doubt knowledgeable about the inner workings of the Reddit community. And they are on to the next big thing, and that could be the possible squeeze in the price of silver. Many of the individuals you see on the screen are either in the business of commodities, gold and silver. They either sell it or work for individuals who are dealers of those commodities. And on that video, which I will link in the description, they were clear that the purchase of physical silver would be the best possible way to squeeze the price of silver and trigger a short squeeze to JP Morgan Chase and anyone else for the most part who could be short silver out there and cause a massive, massive increase in the price of silver. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to offer what I believe are 5 reasons you shouldn't purchase physical silver right now because I think this is a very dangerous time for individuals who are looking for silver because of the massive amount of fraudulent, fake, inferior quality silver that is waiting and ready to be sold to unsophisticated, unknowledgeable investors. Folks, let's go ahead and get started. So, these are 5 reasons why you shouldn't invest in physical silver right now. One, all physical silver is not worthy of investment, right? There's massive amounts of junk silver out there. What is junk silver? Junk silver is silver found in car parts, in cookware, in many other metals that is most of the time melted down and put into little ingots or bars, and you see them in people's homes and see quality dealers all across the country. They are ready to dump that on to unknowledgeable investors. Two, fake silver. Massive amounts of fake silver are in our country, and you've got to be careful. If you're not someone who knows how to tell the difference between real and fake silver, you should not be purchasing physical silver. Three, many silver coins that were minted for circulation in the United States of America only included about 80% silver, and most of those coins would not be coin investment grade. And I'm going to discuss that uh, a lot in this presentation. So be very careful of the individuals who are ready to sell you uh, coins that were once put into circulation in our country because they are not 100% silver. Again, when it comes to investment grade bullion, investment grade silver, only fine 0.999 purity has value on trade markets, right? Collectible does not mean investment grade, right? As individuals who are looking to make money, we are looking for, of course, the opportunity to own the best available quantity of silver and quality of silver in order to make the most of our money. That is not the majority of the silver available and waiting to be sold to you right now in this moment. Let's go on. Not all coins are worthy of investment. Most of the world's large mints do have a signature silver coin. In the US, we have the American Silver Eagle. The Royal Canadian Mint issues the Silver Maple Leaf. The Royal Mint in London issues Silver Britannias. And in Australia, the Perth Mint issues a very popular coin called the Silver Kangaroo. So there are, collectible that possibly could be investment grade. Many of them would suggest the American Silver Eagle is an investment grade product. I guess I would lean towards yes on that. But again, there are much better options, opportunities for you to own silver in an investment grade product like an ETF, but more importantly, a trust in PSLV. And I'll be making a presentation on that a little bit later. Silver coins used in general circulation are not considered fine silver for investment purposes, but some do have value as collectibles. I want to repeat that and really get that through your head that not all silver coins are considered investment grade, right? But there are millions, all right, possibly billions of silver coins from around the world waiting to be sold to you in this moment. You need to warn your friends and family that if they are attracted or pushed to buy physical silver, this is probably not the time to do it. You've got a lot of people who are waiting to dump a lot of trash silver on the market right now. Three, many people believe that silver confiscation is highly likely. I don't believe that. So they're saying, well, the government could come and take SLV silver, take PSLV silver. So, you know, why not buy physical silver and keep it in your house away from the government? No, that's not the answer. Why? Because it's very impractical for government to collect silver. So that first point, there's an error in there. It says cannot practically collect all the silver and gold in the country right now. Two, the point there, most gold is held by high net worth individuals. Uh, those individuals who we know control government. I mean, let's just be honest. So uh, our country is not likely to confiscate the gold and silver of individuals who control federal government as we know it right now. Three, our government got off the gold standard in order to print Google's amount of money. So the idea of confiscating gold makes no sense because we can create wealth literally by thin air at a press of a button. So why would the government go out and now force everyone or steal gold outright from trust and available financial products that you can purchase gold simply by using your cell phone with a click of a button. You already purchased Bitcoin using apps. You can purchase gold using apps by purchasing stock in PSLV. Let's keep it moving. Physical storing of silver comes with its own problems, like security and insurance, right? When you buy physical silver, right, and you tell the wrong people, you make your home now a target for theft, right? You make yourself a target for bodily harm. That's a real thing, right? People have been killed. People have lost their lives for holding uh, precious metals in their home. That's a real thing. It does happen, and it has happened. And number five, last but not least, physical silver isn't easy to liquidate. All right, believe it or not, there are many dealers out there who will not give you spot price for silver. So that's why it's so important to be able to give yourself the opportunity to use modern technology to be a part of publicly traded vehicles like trust, like ETFs that give you the opportunity to be a part of organizations who've been in business for years, who are well capitalized, that are holding tons, literally billions of dollars worth of silver and gold that will be able to liquidate those reserves when they want to, how they want to, and securely. Right? You also have the opportunity to invest in some trusts that will actually give you the opportunity to get a physical redemption of your percentage of ownership once you reach a certain amount of ownership within the fund or trust. So that opportunity is out there for you. There's no reason at all for you to own physical silver and gold today. Okay, there's no reason. Okay, there's just no reason at all. There are a lot of excuses out there. There are a lot of reasons out there. Folks, protect yourselves. There are a lot of people who are looking to take advantage of you right now. Right? They're looking to take advantage of you right now. They're looking to liquidate the junk that they have to buy better quality. They're looking to liquidate whatever holdings they have right now in a fast rising position, right? And if you're not careful, you will find yourself with worthless, heavy bags of trash silver, trash gold, and trash platinum, whatever it is you decide to move forward with. Okay? Use the technology that's available for you. Get yourself in something that's reliable, that's liquid, that can move with the speed and pace of the market. I'm your host, Lasalian Nungu. Tomorrow is another trading day. Press like if you got value out of this video. Leave a comment for me. Until next time, take care.